Come here. Imagine S3 versioning. So what is here in Imagine S3 versioning? We can version our files in Imagine S3. It is enabled at bucket level. At the same key override and version version will change. We will see that one. Sorry. So we need to enable this. How we can enable this versioning? Come here. Right. We have this file, right? Now come to properties. Come to property. We have bucket versioning, right? Versioning means keeping multiple variant of an object in the same bucket. Okay. We can use to preserve, retrieve, and restore every version of every object and restored in S3 bucket. By with the help of versioning, right? We can with the help of versioning, we can recover unintended user action. When by mistake, if our files got deleted, right? If files got deleted, then we can recover it. We can recover it. That is, uh, and a version ID will be generated when we enable it. Okay. Currently, it is disabled. We need to enable this. Once we enable this, save the changes. Right? Save the changes. So now what happened? Bucket versioning enabled. Now come here. Come to object. When I enable, see one toggle is created, right? One toggle is created. When I there previously it was not there, right? So this is we can enable and disable. Enable and disable. When I enable show versions, then these versions are not coming. Why it is not coming, guys? Because when I upload this file, what happened? What happened initially when I upload this file? Before upload, before upload, this version was disabled. Because of that, here it is showing null. But now if I upload some more file, okay, when I upload some more file, then what will happen? The version ID will come. How we can see? Now, let me upload some more file. Upload, add file. Let me use same file. This time I am giving, again I am overriding beach. Okay, now try to upload. Upload. I uploaded beach file again. Let's come to our bucket. Now, show version. So you are able to see, right? This is second time I uploaded. It is overriding. This is the beach.jpg file, right? Beach.jpg file. I uploaded, but this time what happened? This is beach.jpg. Again, I uploaded. So version ID is created. So this is the important factor. So can I delete this? Can I delete this? Let me delete this. I selected this. Can I giving delete? So what is coming? Permanent delete. Okay. So let me copy this and paste here. I am deleting this to delete object. I am deleting this. What is showing? Successfully deleted. Okay. Now come back here. Show versions. Right. There is null. Right. Let me delete this. This is null. Right. Let me delete this. What is showing now? It is also showing permanent delete. Right. So with this permanent delete is happening. now come back. Come back to my bucket. Let me upload some file. Upload some file again. Add files. Beach.jpg. Okay. Now upload this file. The file is uploaded. Come back here. Come back here. show versions. Previously it is showing what? Null. Now it is showing what? Again, some version ID. Now. Okay. Now, can I select this and try to delete this? It is showing. Okay. Now let me select this permanent delete. Copy this, paste here. I am able to delete this, right? Now I am deleting the older version. Come back here. Now show version. So ID is coming. Now try to observe. Then I disable this show version. I disable this show version. I am not able to see this version, right? Try to observe again. Coffee is not having any version ID. I disable this. Click here. Delete this. This time I am getting permanent delete or only delete? I am getting only delete. This is nothing but soft delete. Soft delete means now you will observe. I am deleting now coffee.jpg. Fine, right? Object successfully deleted. Come back here. Coffee is not there, right? Can I click on show version? Yes. I click on show version. So coffee.jpg is coming with delete marker with some version ID. Let me minimize this. Let me minimize this. So what is coming, guys? Nothing is coming, right? That coffee is JPEG file is not coming. But when I enable this, what is coming? Delete marker coming. Because just now we deleted and some ID generated. So what is delete marker? Delete marker is situation where it is a type of this version ID. When we are deleting this file, okay, so a delete marker is created to restore the file. Okay, can I click here? Can I click here and we can action, right? Okay, sorry. Again, delete. We need to delete this delete marker to restore the file. Guys. First, we are deleting the file. Once we delete the file, what happens? Delete marker is generated. Now I want to restore the file. So I want to delete this delete marker again. Let me delete this again. Now it is showing permanent delete. Copy this, paste here, delete object. Now come back here. Coffee.jpg is coming back now. Coffee.jpg is coming back. Okay. So it is, you can remember this also, right? How to use delete marker. Delete marker is nothing but to restore the files. Okay. Now, can I show this version? Coffee don't have any version. Coffee don't have any version. Let me disable this. Let me delete this beach. What is coming? Only delete, right? Let me delete. And I am deleting now this time beach. I'm deleting this time beach. Okay. Now, deleted successfully. Go to bucket. Beach is not there, right? Can I show version? Yes, I can show version. So first version of JPEG file was already there. JPEG file is sorry, beach.jpg file is there. Okay. When I deleted this, a delete marker is created. When I disable this, is it coming? No, it is not coming, right? No. So how to recover? Show version. Click on delete marker and again delete this. So it will restore that particular. This is the ID for that deletion, and this is the original. Okay, now delete this. Delete this to permanent delete. We have to paste here. What happened? Some space is there. See, because of that space is we're not taking. Delete object. Come back here. Now which is coming, right? Show version, previous original version get. This is the original version, right? Okay, now till now you are good, right? What we have seen, how to create bucket, then how to access, how to grant public access we have seen. Then we have seen what? Static website hosting. We are able to access our static hosting. Then we have seen versioning. So what is versioning? We can have versions of our file in Amazon and we have to enable them at bucket level. Okay. So same key override with versions, right? And it is helpful for us to revert the unintended deletes. Okay. To restore the version. Now, the next is Amazon S3 replication. Okay. Now, so we can achieve using two concepts, that is CRR and SRR. What is meant by CRR? CRR is region replication and SRR is same region replication. Okay. Now, for replication, what is meant by cross region replication? For example, if your bucket is in one region and you want to transfer the data, you want to transfer the data to another bucket. So that is cross region, and within same region is also possible. To achieve this, we need to enable the bucket, enable the versioning. Okay, in where? In source and destination. Source and destination, both places we have to enable bucket. Okay. Next point. Buckets can be in different AWS accounts. It can be in two different AWS accounts. Okay. Now, whatever data we are sending, it is asynchronous. Copying of data is asynchronous. What is mean by asynchronous? What is mean by synchronous? Synchronous mean same to same. Sync. Asynchronous means parallelly. ठीक है? Asynchronous. ठीक है? Means you are doing some changes in bucket 1 and it is reflecting in bucket 2 parallelly. ठीक है? So that is the meaning of asynchronous. ठीक है? Now, we'll see. Next is S3 storage. We will see this practically as well. S3 storage. So there are different storage classes. Okay, there are different storage classes. What are the storage classes? First is S3 standard. S3 standard. That is general purpose. That is general purpose. The next is S3 standard infrequent access. Infrequent access. Okay. We will see one by one what is the meaning of this. Then we can call it Amazon S3 standard, Amazon S3 standard infrequent access, Amazon S3. Okay. one zone, infrequent access, infrequent access. Then we have Amazon S3, Glacier, Glacier, instant, instant retrieval, instant retrieval. And we have next Amazon S3, Glacier, flexible retrieval. The next is S3, Amazon S3, Glacier, Deep Archive. The next is Amazon S3, Intelligent Tiring. Intelligent, intelligent tiring. So these are the different classes. Okay, or we can move the data between classes by manually or by some S3 lifecycle configurations. Okay, now we can move data between classes manually or using S3 lifecycle configurations. Okay, now we need to understand what is this S3, general purpose infrequent access, one zone infrequent access, glacier instant retrieval, glacier flexible retrieval, glacier deep archive, intelligent tiring. All these things we need to understand. Okay, now first is we need to understand what is durability and availability. Then we will discuss this point. So S3 durability and availability. Availability. Okay. So S3 durability. What does this mean? Very high durable. Durable means there is a chance of less missing of the data, loss of data, right? Higher durable in the sense, what is the percentage? 99 point, how many times? We can say 11 times after decimal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Means this is the percentage of durability. So you can understand how much it is durable. There is a very less chance. Okay, high durable. Okay, 99% durable. Even not 99%, 99.11 times nines. It is durable this much time. Okay, now. So what does this mean? Just for vision purpose, you can able to imagine. For example, if we let's say we are storing 1 crore image. Okay, so we can expect hardly one object. There are 1 crore object. Okay, if you store 1 crore object, right? 1 crore object, then there may be chance of one object loss in across 1 crore, or maybe in many years, like thousands of years. That is according to Amazon commitment. That is the Amazon commitment. Okay, if we have if we store 1 crore image, 1 crore objects, then there may be chance of loss of one object. So that is very rare case actually, right? In 1 crore objects, if there is one object is missing, loss of data, that is very rare case. Okay? And this durability is applicable to all the S3 classes. Whatever we are seeing, with this durability is applicable to this percentage of durability. It's applicable to all the storage classes. Okay? Now, availability. 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 So you know, right? Services are available 24 into 7. So availability help us to know how much this service is available. Okay. Now it is very high available service. Okay. Depend on storage class. This depend on storage class. It depends on storage class. There are two factors. The first factor, durability, which is applicable to all the storage class. Whatever the storage class we are mentioning here, that is applicable to all the storage class. But come down to availability, it is very high available services, and but it depends on storage classes. Okay. Now we need to understand like one by one about each classes. S3 standards, S3 standards. Okay. Now S3 standard general purpose. General purpose. The first one is this, right? General purpose. Now the first is it is percentage of availability 99% available. Right? Think in this way, guys. Don't think 99% like this. Think in decimal accuracy also. How much decimal value it is giving? After two decimal. If you convert this factor into object, for example, what is this? 11 objects means after decimal means the calculation is like 1 crore, one object loss. If you are having 1 crore objects, then there will be chance of one object. If I will remove this 99, this many 99, mean this 1 crore will become something 1000 na. There may be chance of 1000 object. There may be if you are uploading 1000 object, then there is one object loss. So this is very not proper, right? So this factor after decimal is very, very important. How much percent values are there? If it is 99.99 up to two decimal, I mean it's not that much available. There may be chance of you can say if you are using general purpose, so it may be down. So that is what I am trying to say. Similarly, if you are seeing durability after decimal, how many values are there? 11 nines means you can consider like 1 crore objects we are storing, then there is 1%, there is one object loss, right? Available. Okay, now where we are using this, used for frequently accessed data. Used for frequently access data. Okay, now example where we are using in big data applications, in big data or gaming application. Big data and gaming applications we are using this. Okay. Now next is this is the first. Now the next is S3 storage class. Storage class that is infrequent access. Okay. So by the name you understand, right? Infrequent access. What do you mean by infrequent access? Something you are not using frequently, not regular basis. Okay. So it is used for the data which are less frequently accessed. Okay. Its cost is lower cost. Lower cost than S3 standard. Lower cost than S3 standard. Okay. Now come here. Infrequent access, right? There is standard and one zone. If you see this, there are two infrequent access. One is standard and one is one zone. Okay. Now we will see these two in which comes under which category? Infrequent access. Standard infrequent access and one zone infrequent access. Okay. Now let's S3 standard infrequent access. Okay. We have one thing and another class is S3 one zone infrequent access. We are going to discuss this. Okay. Now so this is 99.9% available. Nobody is going to ask you if you are going for any certification exam for Amazon, then there are such type of situation based question. Okay, but you should know in your real time use cases. Okay, nobody is going to ask you this kind of percentage 99.999 how many nine you don't no need to remember. But comparison purpose, when we are having a visualization in front of our eyes, then we can understand, okay, which class having high availability, like durability, like performance wise. Okay. Where we are using this, when we are using this for backup purpose. And we want to take backup. Okay. There is some data in your storage. Sorry, you want to migrate something and you want to take backup. You will go for S3 standard IA. Okay. You will upload your data in this. We are using general purpose now. Just now I uploaded some images in general purpose. Same way we can store the data in standard infrequent access. Because this is backup purpose means high available. Okay. Means you are uploading this data from in first time, and then after that you are not using frequently now. You are just restoring the data. In one bucket you are storing the data. After you have to restore, then you are restoring the data. That's it. That is why it is called infrequent access. Right now. The next is one zone infrequent access. One zone infrequent access. So this is very high durable. Durable means already we know all the classes are high durable. Coming to availability, 99.5% available. 99.5% available. By seeing this figure, you are able to understand, right? Which is more available? Available means, for example, something is available 24 into 7. There may be chance it will be down for some time, right? So this is S3 one zone is 99.5% available. Okay. No. use case is storing of data for backup, on-premises data, backup. You can say on-premises data, on-premises kind of data. On-premises means the company is having storage inside their own premises and they want to store for some time for backup, right? So they can use S3 one zone infrequent access. Okay, now. Okay. Now, next is these two are infrequent access. These two are infrequent access. These three are glacier access. These are glacier storage. One is what? Instant retrieval. One is flexible retrieval. And one is deep archive. Okay? Now, we are going to see this. Now, S3, S3 glacier, S3 glacier storage class. Okay? Now, it is having low cost object storage for backups. Okay, next is coming to pricing. We can say pricing is equal to price for storage plus object retrieval. So cost is low, but what is the pricing associate? Or what is the combination? You have to pay for storing the data. First part, how much data you are storing, how much object you are storing. Then object retrieval is also when you are retrieving, means restoring the data. Storing the data is also cost associated, and object retrieval when you are restoring the data also the cost is associated. Okay, so it is, but it is not that much costly. Okay, now we will see what are all these types of this glacier instant retrieval, flexible retrieval, and deep archive retrieval. Okay, then we will see practically. Okay, after this there may be some advanced concept of S3 is there. Okay, let me stop my screen share. We will see rest of the topic tomorrow. I'm stopping my screen share. I'm stopping the recording.